A very good morning to all of you. Today we have to do several questions, so let's start it. See here in the first question, here minus sign written 2 times. And in the previous videos we have done this thing that if minus 2 times sign written, that means the answer is positive. If 2 times minus sign come together side by side, then the answer is positive and integer is same. If one time minus sign is written, one time positive sign is written, then that means here also the sign is negative. Minus plus minus and minus plus, that we have done in the previous videos. Now see, now we have to do this question. Here minus 31 is written, now here minus 2 times written. That means here the answer is plus 4. So write it, minus 31 plus 4 plus minus here minus 8 plus 24. Other everything I have written same, here also plus minus written. So we know this thing, if plus minus written, then answer is actually negative. So this I have done still now. Now after this you can choose any two numbers either from back side or from the front side. Now see, if I choose these two numbers, minus 31 plus 4. Here see, in between these two integers, one is with negative sign, one is with positive sign. That means we have to subtract it. 31 minus 4, my answer is 27. And sign is that which is with greater number. And who is greater in between these two? 31 is greater. So that means here the sign is negative. And other all you have to write same. Get it? Now, that is completely your wish that you have to choose these two integers or these two integers. Whatever two integers you can choose, at the end your answer must be same. Now see, again I am choosing first two. Now see, here also negative sign is there, here also negative sign is there. Means both integers having same sign. And we know that if both integers having same sign, then we have to add it. So added 27 plus 8. My answer is 35. So that means 35 plus 24. Instead of these two integers, I have written here 35 and plus 24. Now it's very simple. Add it. 35 plus 24 is still... No. Wait. Minus 27 minus 8. Here the sign is that which is with greater number. So here, who is greater? 27 is greater, and in front of 27, negative sign is there. So that means here also the sign is negative. Now, the question is minus 35 plus 24. That means we have to here one integer is positive, one integer is negative. Means we have to subtract it. That means 35 minus 24. 11. So that means my answer is 11. And in front of 11, that integer we have to put, that is with greater number. Now who is greater? 35 is greater, and in front of 35 negative sign is there. So that means here also the sign is negative. Now see one more question. Here I have written this question. This is simple question. Now see, here plus minus word is written, and we know this thing plus minus is actually minus. So that means here minus 6. Other all you have to write same. Here minus plus, that means here you have to write plus, and here 8 you have to write. Now it's your wish which two integer you have to select. Now see, in this question now we are selecting last two integers. Let us say these two integers I have selected. Other all write same. Now the question is minus 6 plus 8. Here one integer is with negative sign, one integer is with positive sign. That means actually we have to subtract it. 8 minus 6, my answer is 2. And sign is that which is with greater number. Who is greater? 8 is greater, and in front of 8 positive sign is there. That means here also the sign is positive. Now see, now that is completely our wish that we have to choose first two integers or last two integers. That is up to you. Now see, if I again select last two integers, minus 2 plus 2. Here, one integer is with negative sign, one integer is with positive sign. That means ultimately we have to subtract it. So 2 minus 2 we all know 0. But the sign is that which is with greater number. But here both numbers are same. So That is completely our wish to write 0 plus or minus. So we know minus 9 plus 0 is also the answer is minus 9. If minus 9 minus 0 is there, then also the answer is minus 9.